Welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I have the opportunity to help you to understand and speak better English. On today's English lesson, I'm going to teach you how to describe a cold day in English. Now, it gets pretty cold in different parts of the country here in the United States. Maybe not as cold as some other countries, but in the Northwest, the Midwest, and out west, it gets pretty cold. And up north, New York, Vermont, it gets pretty cold. Down in the South where I live, it gets a little cold, and I'm going to teach you how to describe a cold day. So when it's cold outside, one way to describe the weather is by saying it's brisk. When it's brisk outside, sometimes the sun is shining. It's maybe in the 30s, maybe low 20s where I live, and we consider that to be cold or just a little brisk. It's enough heat from the sun to where you're able to have just a little warmth when you go outside, and it's just not overbearing. We say it's a little brisk. The wind may be blowing just a little bit, but it's not really just howling down. It's brisk outside. Another way to describe it being cold is to say it is chilly. It's chilly out. Yeah, you would need to wear long pants. You would need to wear a jacket. And depending on if you're cold natured, you may have a scarf or a hat or a toboggan on your head. Of course, since I don't have any hair, I often like to wear a hat because I am somewhat cold natured. So when it's chilly outside, I'm going to be layered so I can keep warm. We also say it's cold out. Some people it's cold out. They may have on their gloves. They may have on mittens. They may have on thermals. Thermals is just another layer of clothing that is under your outer clothing. So you have thermal underwear, and it goes all the way down to your ankles. A thermal top, it comes all the way to your wrist. When it's cold out, you want to wear different layers so you can keep warm. It's nippy. When we say it's nippy, it's another way of saying it is cold outside. It's nippy, okay? You might want to say, or you could say, you need to bundle up. It's nippy out, okay? It's not warm, it's nippy. The wind may be blowing. It may be below freezing. It's pretty nippy out there. You want to bundle up. You want to cover up. You want to get your bigger jacket because it's nippy outside. Also, something that we say that's kind of a slang term, the hawk is out. When the hawk is outside, it's not only cold, but the wind is blowing. Oh my goodness, the wind is blowing very hard. And we say the hawk is out. It's like it's just jumping right on your neck. It's riding you. The hawk is outside. And that's a way that we describe the weather being quite cold. How do you describe the weather being cold in your area? Let me know down in the comments section. I would love to learn something different or something new. Just in case you didn't know, I do a stream or a live stream here on the channel every Tuesday and Thursday. Right here on Jay's Learning School, Tuesdays at 9:15 a.m. and Thursdays at 7:15 p.m. And I would love for you to join me. By the way, if you enjoyed today's video and you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, as well as go ahead and hit that like button. That would really help the channel out. I hope you join me on my next video. You can also join me on social media. All of my links are down in the description of this video. While you're here, make sure you check out some of my other videos to help you understand and to learn English better. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.